Before this fashion brand worked with us, they had to spend hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars to create catalog photo shoots for their products. They don't have to do that anymore. This is an example of a project that we did for a fashion brand that had a lot of products to shoot every single month. We built a workflow, we built a system for them to use now without the need of a real photo shoot, of a traditional photo shoot. I think the catalog use case is particularly interesting because it doesn't have much creative direction behind it. It doesn't have much creative depth. This system that we built for a fashion brand has completely changed the way they produce catalog visuals. It's pretty straightforward once it's built. As you can see here on the bottom left, it has a model selection. They can choose between multiple models that we've casted for them. And then up here, we essentially uploaded all their inventory. There's a lot of pieces missing. This was just a first draft. Then they can come here and choose whatever product they want to select and they want to shoot. So let's say they want to have, this top right here, striped top with these short jeans and these bracelets, and pair it with this bag and these shoes and this necklace. And then all they have to do, the system is already pre-built to create these specific types of images, aka catalog on models images. Excuse me. They would come here, press a few buttons, literally just press run, 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 and the system will automatically create every single pose of the model on a white background, of course, in the studio, with that top, with those bracelets, with those jeans and those shoes. And just like that, they can download these images and have their entire catalog, even product details and solo shots of the product. So for e-commerce purposes, of course, for your website, ready to be posted on your website, on your socials. You can showcase your product. So I think this is an absolute game changer for fashion brands. The product detail is perfect. The model consistency is spot on. And again, this is a use case that I think can be adopted by fashion brands because it's still a very necessary sort of asset, but it's not one of the most creative ones. And so this is where I think AI can really come in and help you with that first step of creating high quality e-commerce catalog images. If you're a fashion brand and you are interested in implementing this workflow into your company, please feel free to reach out. This is a system and a workflow that can work for all fashion brands, jewelry brand, accessories, consumer packaged good. So thank you for your time.